Whoa, listen to that siren. Real police cars are racing to help people right now.
Hey friends, it's time to learn about amazing police cars. Do you see those flashing lights? Red, blue, so colorful and bright.
Look at that police car speeding down the road. Vroom, we ooh.
When someone needs help, police officers drive super fast to get there.
Whoosh, they're off to help people just like you and me.
See those brave police officers? They're getting out of their car to help that person cross the street. Police officers are heroes who keep us safe every day.
Listen to their walkie-talkie. Copy that, heading over now. They're always ready for the next mission.
Wow! Let's look at all the cool tools inside a police car. There are so many buttons and gadgets. This is the light control that makes the roof lights flash. And this button changes the siren sound. Wee, ooh, whoop, whoop. Check out the special computer that helps officers find addresses. And that's the radio for talking to other police officers.
Click. Dispatch, this is Officer Friendly checking in.
Oh wow, friends, look at the police car in the parade. All the kids are waving and smiling. Can you wave to the officers? They're waving back at you. Honk honk. It's time to say goodbye as our police car drives away. Wasn't that amazing? If you want to see more cool vehicles like fire trucks, ambulances, and garbage trucks, make sure to subscribe. Let's count to 3 and say goodbye. 1, 2, 3. Bye!